In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Word document as an image, like a JPG, PNG, or GIF. This is really useful if you want to share a page from a document on social media, insert it into a presentation, or send it to someone who doesn't have Word installed. First, go ahead and open the Word document you want to convert. Make sure the content on the page looks exactly how you want the final image to appear. Check your margins, fonts, and spacing, and zoom in or out so you can clearly see the entire page you plan to turn into an image. It's a good idea to clean up any extra blank space or stray characters so the image looks professional. Next, you'll want to capture that page as an image. The simplest way to do this on most computers is to take a screenshot. Position the document window so the full page is visible. On Windows, you can use tools like Snipping Tool or Snip and Sketch. On Mac, you can use the built-in screenshot shortcut. Carefully drag to select just the area of the document page, avoiding your taskbar, desktop, or any other windows. When you're happy with the selection, confirm the screenshot and save it. When you save, your tool will usually let you pick a file format. Here's where you choose between JPG, PNG, or GIF. If you're sharing a photo-like page or you want a smaller file size, JPG is a great choice. If your document has sharp text, logos, or needs a transparent background, PNG is usually the best option because it keeps the image crisp. GIF is more limited in color, but it can work for very simple graphics or if you need that specific format for a website or tool. Give your file a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later, and choose a folder where you'll keep your exported images. After saving, take a moment to open the file you just created. Zoom in to check that the text is readable and not blurry. If it looks fuzzy, you may need to take another screenshot at a higher zoom level in Word so that more detail is captured, or use a higher resolution screen area. Once you're satisfied with the quality, your Word document page is now successfully saved as an image. You can attach it to emails, upload it to websites, drop it into slides, or share it wherever you'd normally use an image file.